their hands. The president must, you know that president who died in Tanzania he died of COVID. I'm forgetting his name now. Magufuli. Magufuli goes to a government project, arrives there, and then there's no progress. Who's the owner? Lorato is the owner. Where's Lorato? He's not here. Where is he? He's in the US. He says, I'm not going to leave here until Lorato arrives here. He sits there. He's going to arrive and put terms himself. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't expect to find this when I come back. And there will be a huge progress. That's a president who was hands-on.
Hands-on.
How does the president die of COVID? They realize we have a problem here. We need to finish this thing. I'm telling you, because the only working president dies of COVID. These lazy ones, they are staying. How does COVID miss Mnangagwa? You can't have that. So we want a president like that who goes and sit there. But even before you go as a president, already you have an intelligence of what's happening. Work out